All right, ladies, custom sport leggings, man, available on SoundVision.com in multiple characters. Now, this one right here is a Sincere sport legging right here, custom design. As you can tell, it's not cheap material. You can see how I'm pulling on it; it doesn't tug, right? Check this out, man. This is Sincere from the Cardiff Assassin character right here, and I'm gonna give y'all 360 so y'all can see what this thing do. And I got the custom design too. Y'all see that right there? The detail available on SoundVision.com. We got them in multiple sizes. We got them sizes 2X, 2 extra small, all the way to 3XL. The different sizes with the waistband right here, right? In multiple colors. Now each leg can be a different color, but you can get this in multiple characters, man. Sincere, Escalade, Artillery, Kanji, Snipes, Wonder Woman, Black Widow, Hawk Girl, Captain Marvel, you name it, I got it. So look, ladies, if you love quality and you love sport leggings and you love working out, get you one of ours on SoundVision.com in any character. You know what I'm saying? Stay safe, y'all. Peace.